If you have old underwear that like have some rips in it, you don't have that?
No.
I have underwear that literally have the band is like ripped out. Listen, okay? I don't have time to buy new underwear every damn day. What is up, guys? It's Ava. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having an amazing day and an amazing week. Today we're here with Maya.
Hello.
When's the last time we did a video together?
Oof, a long time ago because I've been avoiding it.
Excuse me?
I don't want other clout coming my way. Basically, I'm almost at 100K and I wanted to get there on my own, so I've been like waiting. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah. Wait, but you're not there yet, right?
Literally like 3,000 away.
Okay, so everyone go subscribe to Maya. As we all know, the year 2020 is approaching. Today, we're talking about 2019. That's right. Now I know, everyone always wants to say, let's just get rid of this year and move on to the next year.
Oh, 2016 was so bad. Let's go to 2017.
Yeah, I gotta get out of that.
It's like 2018 sucked. Let's go to 2019. And now we're at 2019 and everybody's like, oh, I just want to like get over this year and go to 2020.
We all need to slow down,
take a step back,
and realize we still have time to save 2019.
Ew, stop.
2019 may have been hard. You know, like we all went through stuff this year.
Oh, yeah.
We all saw some things we want to forget.
Yeah.
Get your notebooks out. We have ours. If you'll have us for for a brisk 15 minutes, 15-ish. We put together 10 things that you can do today to make 2019 still your year. Give this video a big thumbs up if you like when I do these types of videos where we help you get through things. And yeah, let's get into it. Number 1, stop hanging with the fake.
The toxic people in your life.
Listen, you know this. When you have negative people in your life, the second you see them, your energy levels drain, okay? And that's like true for people that you know in person, that you for some reason keep around, but also the people that you follow online, like even people you don't even know. You decide who you follow. If you're waking up every morning and you feel great and then you go on Instagram and you scroll and then you literally hate yourself after, unfollow the people that make you feel that way.
Follow the people that inspire you to like do more with your own life, not get sad because you're not.
Take the last month of 2019 to like evaluate who in your life isn't really like good for you. Start scoping out who might get the cut.
Most importantly, people around you are the people that are going to be affecting you the most. Regardless of the people that you follow, if you're hanging out with friends that are like always talking about drama, always getting into drama, like even if you're not a dramatic person, you're going to get into the drama because like everybody around you is like talking about drama.
That's
and then
right.
You're like drama. And I heard this like one thing that was like, if somebody like talks a lot of drama to you and like tells you about other people's drama, like they might be the person that like talks drama on you. I've heard that.
Ooh, I don't like that.
I know, because it's like they're always talking about drama, so it's like,
why wouldn't they talk about you?
Yeah, and it's like they're talking about maybe like your other close friends, so it's like,
so then your friends get together and they talk about you.
That's what I'm saying. I just got the chills. How scary is that?
People can form opinions about me without me knowing.
Y'all make me
sick.
Yeah, so basically just like start weeding them out of your life if they just make you feel bad when you're around them. Like you don't have to completely cut them out, but just like if they ask you to hang out, you know, think about the other things that you could be working on, maybe schoolwork, maybe it's a goal. Do that instead of going out to hang out with friends that are toxic.
Number 2, clear the beef. There might be somebody in 2019 or even maybe 2015 or something.
Yes.
Every time you see them at like a party, school or something, you get that feeling where you're like, clear the beef.
Who really like cares about what you did to me in 2013?
Well, you know, forgive, but don't forget. I'm the type of person where like, I can forgive you.
Yeah, I know what you mean.
But I will never forget. It's on like your permanent record. Forever. Always. I'm sorry. Can you forget?
I don't know. Maybe you need therapy. Are
you serious? Okay, if it's something minor.
Yeah, if it's minor.
But like if you did something bad, like.
No, yeah, it's definitely
you're
check
not
mark.
like.
You have to, because if you don't, like, you're just gonna get played.
Yeah, they're gonna scam you again.
Yeah.
Anyway, that's not the point of this.
Don't hold grudges.
Talk to the people that you have beef with, figure it out, go into 2020 with like a clear mindset. And like, don't necessarily wait until like New Year's to be like, hey, like, I know we had drama.
Yeah.
Like, that's so cheesy. Just like text them right now. Like as soon as this video is over, whoever you have beef with, just text and be like, yo, like we're straight, you know?
Most of the time, like whatever you're upset about is like not even worth it to be thinking about.
Everyone makes mistakes.
You're gonna feel so much better and just like a weight is lifted off your shoulders.
It doesn't always happen instantly. You might see someone that you have beef with and then like you guys make up and apologize, but you still kind of are like we're good, but like I'm still gonna stay away from you, you know?
Yeah.
And then like 2 years later, there's been people that I'm like, hey, like, we can hang out again, you know? So just start the process. Like, I'm not saying you guys are gonna become best friends again immediately. Number 3, if you know your resolution is clear skin in 2020, start the process of eating healthier now, clearing out all of the like bad, like greasy foods that you might eat, cause like that's messing up your skin. Start drinking water now. It's a process and it's a journey. And if you spend the last 30 days of December not worrying about your skin, cause you're just like, oh, that's a resolution for 2020. Like, I'll focus on that later. Your skin's just gonna get worse. Number 4.
Do we even say much about?
Y'all
we
know.
don't get it.
Y'all know.
There's so much more you could do for.
Go for it, Maya.
Wait, is the point about skin or about the beef? Wait, no.
Skin!
That's the next one. Okay, how to clear your skin. Oof, there's so many ways. I'm not a dermatologist.
Well, this video isn't how to clear your skin, Maya. I have a video on how to clear your skin. That's how you clear your skin. We did a full video on this. Number 4, take a trip. Go to a concert. Take a little road trip, even if it's just for a day, even if it's just to the beach, to the lake, just an hour outside. Like,
literally do anything. Like, you're watching us right now, some screen. We're gonna get up all together.
we're gonna all get up and we're gonna go somewhere.
We're gonna go to the park.
Let's go to the park, guys. I'll be in the car.
So basically, do anything to get out of the house. Staying in the house.
It's prison. No, it's good sometimes, but when you want to have a memory or an adventure, you have to get out of the house.
It's just like getting out of the house always makes people feel better. Like,
No, it doesn't.
Well,
I hate running errands.
No, I don't mean running errands. I mean like going for a walk, going to clear your head.
Oh, I don't like going
okay,
for a walk.
Okay,
Because then you're in public and the cars rush by and then...
no, okay, like a park alone.
Then you get kidnapped.
I always go to the park alone.
What the hell, Maya?
It's so soothing.
Ew.
You go to the park.
Does anyone ever come up to you and try to kill you?
Not the park. You're going to school. You're going to work. You're going to wherever you're going. You're running errands. You need to take some days to just do something that's not work, something that's not forced upon.
We all know that leaving our house with a friend, going out to dinner with a friend, all of those things, they make you feel so good, and it's like taking a little mini adventure. I'm not saying you have to book a plane to Bora Bora or to have like a crazy like, oh, like I did something in 2019. You don't have to do that. The best trips for me are like grabbing a friend and like watching the sunset or like going camping. Like, those are things that I love to do, and those are trips that I remember forever and ever. 5, start planning out your month so it doesn't slip by you too fast.
This is the most important one.
It's important because, and I'll tell you,
You're stumped. This is mine. I'll take over.
Okay.
You see this right here? This is a bullet journal. I started bullet journaling not last year, but the year before that, and it has changed my life.
Sell it to me.
Okay, so number 1, if you don't plan your week out, it's gonna go by
It
like
escapes
that.
you.
Next thing you know, it's Sunday, and the next thing you know, it's the next month, and it goes by so fast. A lot of times when I'm like sitting at home, and if I don't have anything planned, I get stressed out because I'm like, oh my gosh, nothing's getting done. I don't have anything to do this week. I'm just sitting at home wasting time. My life is going over. It's over. And so basically that's what I start thinking of. When I have a journal and I start planning my week out,
Let's see the journal.
I just have like things to look forward to. Okay, this is my journal.
What the hell is this? The heck, are you demented? Are you
It's my
cursed?
Halloween costume.
Ew, that's what you're drawing? Maya,
That's not the
are you
point.
possessed?
I draw out the makeup looks that I'm gonna do for my channel. I plan out my week, and then I can look at my week and be like, oh my gosh, I'm gonna go hang out with Jocelyn on Wednesday. I'm so excited. So even if I have school Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, I know after school, oh, I get to hang out with my friend. Even if it's on Sunday, I'm gonna clean my room. It's like just stuff to look forward to in the week, to where you're not just like, oh, I got school all week, blah, 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 blah.
What I like about my planner, I can look back on the months and be like,
Yeah.
oh my gosh, I did so much that month. When you don't put that on paper, the month will just go by and you'll be like, oh, like I didn't do anything that month. Number 6, start planting the seeds to your New Year's resolution now. Everyone's got something they want to work on. The problem that we all go through though is that we wait until January 1st to start our resolution, and like leading up to it, everyone's like, oh, do you have a New Year's resolution? And you're like, yeah, it's this, but like no one ever really starts on it before the new year.
Which is weird, because it's like, if someone asks you your New Year's resolution,
What are you saying? If I had a New Year's resolution.
New Year's resolution.
There we go.
I have dyslexia.
Noodles resolution. Noodles.
Shut up.
If your resolution is to like, for example, be better at cooking, are you gonna wait until January 1st to like, oh, it's January 1st, time to like
Pick
whip
up
out
my spatula.
whip out my pots and pans and like figure this out. You have to plan those steps, like baby steps. I think the hardest thing about New Year's resolutions is everyone makes them, but no one really thinks about like
The preparation.
and like work that's required behind that resolution.
Yes.
Day that like January 1st hits, you're like, oh my god, you're like,
ooh. woo.
This is a lot, you know?
And then January 2nd, everybody's like, who started? And everyone's like, it's January.
And then February comes around, you're like, oh, I like stopped doing that.
Like,
and then you get discouraged. So start working on that stuff now because it can't hurt. Number 7, buy new underwear. This is actually like a really good thing.
I love
like,
how this is a whole point.
No, I swear, buying new underwear changes you. Like it makes you feel a type of way.
I understand.
There we go. Makes you feel good. And if you have like old underwear that like, okay, I'm guilty of it, but like we all are, okay? If you have old underwear that like have some rips in it, you don't have that?
No.
You don't have that? I have underwear that literally have the band is like ripped out. Listen, okay? I don't have time to buy new underwear every damn day.
Okay.
Hey, Victoria's Secret doesn't have a cute underwear anymore. Okay, I'm in a predicament. I don't know where to buy my underwear. Leave me a comment down below. We need to this isn't just a note for myself.
Stop wearing the ripped one. This is just like your therapy session right now.
Number 8, I know that the end of the year is a time where everyone says it's like cuddle season, bae season. Like it's the season of like, you know, like being all cute with like your significant other. But don't let that discourage you from having a good month. A boyfriend, a girlfriend, whatever, they friend, like whatever you need. You don't need another person to have a good rest of the 2019. Everyone's like, oh, it gets lonely, you know, because there's so many like cute things to do. No one's saying you can't do those cute things by yourself or with friends or family, and it won't be like just as fun. Get all your best friends together, go see Christmas movies, go to Christmas tree farms, go make hot cocoa with each other. Don't get discouraged because it's really not a big deal. Number 9, make a friend. If your goal in 2020 is to like surround yourself with better people, learn a new hobby, get involved in sports.
A lot of the times where you find new friends are doing those things though.
Yeah.
If I take up soccer, I'm gonna make soccer friends. If I take up a painting class in school, I'm gonna make friends in the classes that I'm in. So that's like the most important thing in life is find what you do best and find what you love to do.
Well, everything else falls into place because like the people that do what you love to do will be in the places that you're in because you're doing what you love to do, and you'll be happy because you're surrounding yourself with like people that do the same thing that you do.
And then you won't be looking at other people's life envying them because you already are secure in your life of what you love to do, and you'll be confident. Jesus Christ, spitting fire.
How do you make a friend? By doing what you love. And number 10, hold yourself accountable. If your 2019 was filled with drama, filled with failure, filled with you not getting what you wanted out of it,
Setbacks.
If you're going to have,
if you had a goal in 2019 that has not happened yet, you have to look at yourself in the mirror and think, did I do everything in my will, in my power to get to the point where I wanted to in 2019?
Now going forward, when I try for that goal again, I made that little mistake and I'm not going to do it this time. Be honest with yourself. If you're not able to do that, then 2020 is going to be a lot of the same BS that like you dealt with in 2019. In 2020, be able to look yourself in the mirror with any decision you make. Know that if you make the wrong decision, you're able to acknowledge that. Obviously, there's situations where you can't control, and you're never going to have the perfect life where like everything's going your way and like everyone's saying yes to you and like people are just throwing money at you. Like you could be the personal trainer in your own mind. You know, like if you just trained your mind to hold yourself accountable. If you can't hold yourself accountable for the last 30 days of the year, then like none of this stuff is gonna get anywhere. Gotta make sure you stick to all the things that we said.
Stick to everything, and if you fall off the path a little bit, get right back on it. Don't feel discouraged. Don't feel like, oh, darn it, I've been vegan for a month and I ate a French fry today, so now I can't be vegan ever again in my life. Like, no, just get back on it.
Just get back on that horse.
Think
okay?
about
have diarrhea for a day, and then get back on the horse.
Yes, get back on the horse.
The horse might give you a pimple, and it might make you have diarrhea.
But the horse will lead you to water.
So those are 10 things to make your 2019 still an amazing year. Listen, don't get discouraged, okay? 2019, as we said, it might not have been the strongest year for you, okay? 2019 can still be freaking epic. Grab your friends, grab your pen and paper, your notebook, your calendar. There's still time to fix it. Call your friends, call your foes, go outside.
Breathe the air. Not in LA though, because like, it's kind of bad out here. It's not the best.
I hope you guys have an amazing rest of your 2019. I personally am going to be working on all of these things myself.
We're starting today. So that's the moral of the story. We're starting today, so you're going to start today. We're going to do it together.
Be sure to subscribe to this channel if you haven't already, and head over to Maya's channel and subscribe as well. She's almost at 100K.
So close.
If you guys want to see the vlog from this week and all of the weeks prior, go head over to my vlog channel. Link will be in the description box below. And yeah, if you guys want any more videos like this, let me know in the comments down below. Give this video a thumbs up so I know to do more of these. And yeah, that is it for this video, and I'll see you guys next week with a new video. Bye.
Period. And that's on accountability.